Welcome back. This lecture is going to give some basics knowledge about Hive. So before I start, let me give you an idea about why Hive and Pig have been developed. I'll go with a simple example. Let's assume there are two files, namely customers and customers transactions in SDFS. Now if someone asks, tell me the top 5 paying customers by geo. To answer this question, you will write down a MapReduce program to solve this problem. Because of the extreme simplicity of MapReduce, you have to deal with much low-level hacking with many step branching data flows that arise in practice. You have to repeatedly code standard operations such as join by hand. These practices waste time, introduce bugs, harm readability, and reduce optimizations. There is a lot which is repetitive during data preparation process. So there is a need for high level tool to accomplish these things easily, hiding all complexity inside. That's where Hive and Pig comes into the picture. So Hive provides a familiar model for those who know SQL and allow them to think and work in relational database perspective. It provides a simple query language called HiveQL, which is based on SQL and which enables users familiar with SQL to do ad hoc querying, summarization, and data analysis. At the same time, HiveQL also allows traditional MapReduce programmers to be able to plug in their custom mappers and reducers to do more sophisticated analysis that may not be supported by the built-in capabilities. Hive is a component of Hadoop ecosystem. Hive is a data warehousing infrastructure for Hadoop. The primary responsibility is to provide data summarization, query, and analysis. It supports analysis for large datasets stored in Hadoop's SDFS file system. Now let's see what Hive is not. Hive is not built to get a quick response to queries, but it is built for data mining applications. It is not designed for online transaction processing. Hive does not offer real-time queries. It is best used in batch jobs. That's all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Thank you.